Hi guys, from the solar show and from the Huawei booth. How are you, engineer? Hi.
Good evening. This is Mohammed
Good
Abbas
evening.
from Huawei. I'm a service engineer for the region, and I'm based in the UAE office. Here, I'm going to give you a tour for the products that we have here in this KSA Solar Show. So let me go through with the product. So
Okay.
let me start with our first part of the section of the product line, which is utility. This is what we see is the battery pack, which is called as a ESS battery solution, which starts with the 1 megawatt and 2 megawatt hour batteries. We have a very big project in Red Sea in Saudi, which is
Okay.
about 1.3 gigawatt utilizing these batteries. These batteries are basically lithium-ion batteries, which
Okay.
provides you immense power for the microgrid solutions.
I
Coming to
think
the
this is
next one,
modular. I think
it's a modular
it's
battery. Yeah,
modular. Yeah,
it
yeah.
comes with multiple battery packs that you
Okay.
can take it out and remove it and install it
I think
in the
it's
time you
easy
have.
for replacement any battery or.
Definitely, it's a
Okay.
very good for the maintenance,
Yeah.
and the best thing is that it can do the maintenance free work. So in the case of any SOC calibration, these battery works independently. You do
Okay.
not need any human intervention to do all of these SOC calibration or any other calibration between the batteries. It can work with old and new battery altogether without any problem. So
Okay.
next to it is the PCS. We call it the power conditioning system. It's used coupled with those batteries. It's
Okay.
work as a two-way inverter and converter. So it converts to DC into AC and AC into DC. So
Okay.
that's what we use for the batteries. So it takes an input from the grid and helps to convert into DC to charge the battery. On the other end, when you're discharging it, it will take the DC from the battery and convert back to the AC power.
Okay.
The other one is the inverter. So it's what we see here at the moment is 115 kilowatt inverter, which is the biggest one in the CNI. And however, with the same size and the body, it can be reached up to 330 kilowatt for
Okay.
our utility side projects. Right.
Okay.
So if we go beyond that, you can see that they are MPPT's connections at the bottom, and further to that, we have a residential system. So it can start with the 2 kilowatt inverter till 10 kilowatt inverters, and then you have battery packs, which is the residential battery reaching up to 15 kilowatt in a one battery pack. And if we go beyond that, I'll show you the CNI part, which is we can go from there.
Okay.
Thank you. So here we can see the CNI batteries, CNI inverters and the batteries. So it can start with the 12 kilowatt inverters till maximum 50 kilowatt. And then we have a batteries, which is you can have a good look at here. So these are the communication devices that we have.
Okay.
That we call smart dongles. So used to take the data from the inverter and push it on the cloud, so you can have a remote monitoring. Then these are the inverters, which is the highest end 50 kilowatt inverter for our CNI application. And then we have a battery, which is the similar battery functionality as the one that we have seen for the utility, but a smaller size with a smaller capacity of 200 kilowatt hour. So this at the moment in our show of the KSA Solar Show, we are presenting these items, and we will be very welcome you to come here
You are
to
welcome.
see
Thank you,
us.
engineer. Thank you.
You're welcome.